Let's now talk about the war between a general and a captain. Ahead of the crucial pole battle in Punjab, two army veterans are pitched against each other. Former Chief of the Army Staff General J.J. Singh and Captain Amrinder Singh, both filing their nominations from Patiala, but almost inadvertently the fight is between two soldiers now. It's also turned ugly given the fact that two gave no quarter as they took a dig at each other.
आपको जनरल लग रहा होगा, मुझे तो जे सिंह लग रहा है और जे सिंह को हराएंगे हम। हाँ, पूछ लो क्या पटियाले का उसको पता है कुछ? आया था जब 2 साल की उम्र थी 1945 में और चला गया था अर्ली 50s में, 4-5 साल का होगा। क्या पटियाले के साथ कनेक्शन है? कोई फैमिली नहीं, कुछ नहीं।
देश की सेवा कर रहा था भाई। 15 साल का मैं घर से निकला, मेरी माँ ने अरदास की, भगवान रब इनू बचा, एनडीए जा रहा है, तू रक्षा कर, रब राखा। ऐसे नहीं, ये आए 3 गाड़ियां साथ में आई, हवाई जहाज से फ्लाई किया। अरे भाई ये मुकाबला मेरे से कर रहा है, मेरे 20 तगमे हैं, उसके पास 2-4 हैं, वो भी फ्री के मिले हुए हैं।
A war between two soldiers where it gets downright personal, downright ugly. Manjeet Sehgal joins me from Patiala. Also with me is Harmeet Shah from our newsroom. But Manjeet, I want to understand this from you. Two soldiers, they've known each other well, but it gets downright personal from the word go. As Captain Amrinder Singh says, that General J.J. Singh has absolutely no connection whatsoever with Patiala. He left Patiala as a 15-year-old. And the general hits back, saying, I went to serve the nation as a 15-year-old who went to join the NDA.
Yes, Gaurav, in fact, Captain Amrinder Singh is, in fact, terming General J.J. Singh as an outsider. He said that he has no connection with Patiala or Punjab, so he was out of Patiala for a long time, but now he has, to fulfill his political aspirations, he is back. And General J.J. Singh is also not going to accept it. General J.J. Singh says that he is a Punjabi and he belongs to Patiala. He was born and brought up in Patiala. But and he can also be heard comparing his medals with Captain Amrinder Singh. And Captain Amrinder Singh, Gaurav in turn had said that it will be very interesting that a captain will be challenging a general in the political battle, Gaurav.
Oh, absolutely. Harmeet, you've been doing a SWOT analysis, their strengths, their weaknesses, the opportunities that they have and the threats that they face. How do the two match up, the general and the captain?
Gaurav, first of all, I mean, this wild tone that, both the candidates have adopted is unbecoming of former military officers in the first place. Secondly, I am particularly surprised at Captain Amrinder Singh. He's someone who is leading Punjab Congress, and the kind of manifesto that has come out of from the AICC headquarters was drafted by none other than an economist of the stature of Dr. Manmohan Singh. So Captain Amrinder Singh is expected to talk about that, but in this election campaign, nobody is talking about that. Instead, that these two people are making personal attacks. This shows the shallowness of both Akali and Congress campaign on the ground. Gaurav, back to you.
Okay, Manjeet, Harmeet, track that story. This promises to be a very interesting battle. We will continue to track it very closely. For the moment, gentlemen, many thanks.